Hi all, in this video we are going to see about Introduction to DBMS, Database Management System. Before going to DBMS, first we need to see about what is data. Data is a raw fact which can be any number, figure or image. For example, 45 is a data as 45 is a number but does not give any information. 45 may be a house number, 45 may be a mark of a student, 45 may be an average age of an employee. Next, what is information? Information is processed data instead of raw facts. It will surely give meaningful information about any event, person, etc. For example, average age of employee is 45. Marks of Sunil in DBMS is 45. House number of Akshaya is 45. Here 45 gives meaningful information. Next one is what is database? A database is an organized collection of data. It allows easy access, management and updating. A database is a collection of interrelated data. Interrelated means all the data must have same nature and must have a relationship about the common entity. Example, student record, employee data, inventory. The below table shows the student record with the following columns: student ID, name, department and course. What is DBMS? Database Management System. Database Management System is a software that manages databases. The primary goal of Database Management System is to provide an environment which is convenient and efficient in retrieving the information from the database and storing information into the database. The Database Management System must provide the provision or mechanism for the safety of information stored, despite system crash or any attempt to unauthorized access. The main objective of a DBMS is ensure data integrity, minimize data redundancy, enable concurrent data access, provide data security and backup, and facilitate data sharing. I hope you will understand about data, information, database and DBMS. Well, we meet in the next video. Thank you.